Taylor McCready, where are you? Taylor. Taylor's modest.
All right, hopefully you all enjoyed that loud noise from this machine right behind me. Yeah. In 2019, I moved here to kind of just start things anew. And I got involved here, and needless to say, I think I got a little bit of a hand at times. But I have a vision for this locomotive. Over 100 years ago, rolled out of the Schenectady Locomotive Works factory floor and just became a workhorse for Tucson. For the next 50-odd years, it just ran from Tucson, just hauling mixed freight. And towards the end of its career, it was practically just relegated to a yard goat, assembling the larger trains that passed on through that keep interrupting us as we do this fine event. And then, in 1955, donated to the city of Tucson and just kind of ended its life there. But I don't think its life is over yet. I still believe that this machine behind us still has a lot of life in it left. And I'm going to work hard, that eventually for the next 100 years, that kids who will be playing on it, it just won't be dead. This thing will be living. This thing will be breathing. And that all of you can enjoy your hand on the throttle and blowing the whistle and annoying our neighbors even more.
Thank you so much, Taylor.